our school, here also we have program with the parents is going on, and even though this is a great effort that the Karachur public school and as well as the forest department is initiating, and we are Navodaya Vidyalaya Mudipu, PM Sri Javanavada Vidyalaya Mudipu is very proud to be a part of this program, plantation program. Especially it's a special type of plantation program, that Miyawaki forest. So we have heard about different type of forest, and it's a special forest which need a very little space with a large number of plants grows over there, and in a short period of time plantation doing, and these all plants grow together, taller, and create a micro environment, so that will help the other organisms like birds and as well as insects and other animals. So there will be a small area, whatever the area available is act as a miniature forest, and thereby it help in our environment. And plus this concept has been very easy to implement. You can see nowadays it has been sponsored by forest department, even eco clubs of central government, formulated eco clubs also initiating this type of Miyawaki forest, because it can be possible in anywhere, everywhere, in a small space of few meters of area. That is enough to grow large number of plants which are maybe fruit yielding and other type of plants or evergreen plants, which will help to colonize the different type of microbial and as well as flora and fauna. So thereby it helps the improving the environment. We know that the plants are very much important to provide not only giving habitat to the animals, but also increase what plants mainly give to us, children? Oxygen. Very good. Okay, because plants produce lot of oxygen. Okay, we have the only one source of oxygen in the world, that is plants. Okay, we are breathing oxygen, animals breathing oxygen. When we burn the fossil fuels or we burn any type of fuels outside, everything is using oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So plants are the only organisms, especially green plants, during photosynthesis they can intake that carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So it is I am very happy over here, standing over here, myself Nikhil Kumar, PGT Biology over here, and I am the coordinator of Eco Club of Navodaya Vidyalaya Mudipu. As a part of the Navodaya Vidyalaya Mudipu family, we are very happy to host this program. So first I call upon our team for
ಗುಡಿಯಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಪಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಪಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೋಟವೇ ಒಲವಿನ ಓಲೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೋಟವೇ ಒಲವಿನ ಓಲೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಪಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮನದ ಗುಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಪಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ.
Thank you, girls. Such a melodious and as well as meaningful prayer song. Now I enter into my of welcoming the guest. First of all, I like to welcome Deputy Forest Officer Mr. Mahabub. Sir is over here to guide us and as well as help us in organizing this program, and Forest Department initiated this program. That I thank Sir for choosing our Vidyalaya was a part of this program, and I request our principal sir to welcome sir with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Next, I like to welcome Kanachur PUC principal, Madam Shahida. Madam is also a part of Kanachur team and has come over here to help us. Welcome ma'am with a small bouquet. Welcome ma'am to our school. And I also welcome the Kanachur Primary School Principal, Madam Lynette D'Souza. Madam is also come over here to help us in this part of the program. Thank you for welcome. And I also like to welcome Kanachur Public School Principal, Madam Karen Priscilla D'Souza. I request our Vice Principal Madam to welcome her in the bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. I request Vice Principal Madam to welcome our host principal, Sri P. Rajesh. Sir is a motivation of all these activities in this program of these different type of programs. With a short period of time, within a short span of time, sir could able to manage to make us to arrange this program. Thank you, sir. Welcome to this program. I also welcome PRO of Kanachur School, Mr. Nawaz. So I request to offer him a bouquet and welcome. Welcome you, sir. And I also welcome the staff members who came from Kanachur and as well as Forest Department who come over here to part of this program, and the small buddies who came from Kanachur School, the Scout and Guide students. They are highly motivated to come over here, and as well as senior students who came from Kanachur School, and as well as and I also welcome our Vice Principal Madam. Madam Lali, she is also is encouraging us to organize this type of programs, and I also welcome Raghavendra sir and other staff members from Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mudipur. Next, I request Sir Mahabub sir, Forest Deputy RFO, to speak on this occasion. Sir, please.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Today we are celebrating Miyawaki Forest program. What is meant by Miyawaki Forest? First, Miyawaki Forest method introduced by Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki. The method of Miyawaki means in a small area or small plot we will create dense forest. That's called Miyawaki. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ರಿಂದ 5 ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಈ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡೋದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಸ್ಟೈನೇಬಲ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎದುರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ತಾಪಮಾನಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಸಿ ನೆಡೋದು, ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟ್ರು 15 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟ್ರು ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದೇ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಈ ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉಪಯೋಗವಾಗೋದಂದರೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಲಿಮಿಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಿಯಾವಾಕಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ನಾವು ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಸಮೇತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡುವಂತಹ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ನವೋದಯ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಣಚೂರು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ವಿರಾಮ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you for explaining about the importance and as well as the purpose of Miyawaki forest. Even though it's a Japanese idea, it is very much suitable to our Indian condition. That is why even the government and as well as departments also sponsoring these programs to our area. So I request all the students to get motivated from this and start such a small area forest in your area, your house or nearby your area, which should be undisturbed. Now I request the Kanachur PUC principal, Madam Shahida, to speak on this occasion. Madam, please.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಣಚೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೂ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಹಾಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಜಿ ಯುಕೆ ಮೋರವರ ಕನಸಿನಂತೆ ಸಾವಿರ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಡನಾಡು, ಕೋಣಾಜೆ, ತಲಪಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡನಾಡು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕೊಡಾಜೆ ಗುಡಿಪು PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಕನಸಿನಂತೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ 1000 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡುವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ನವೋದಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ನಾವು ಎಣಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ overwhelmed with the program what you have arranged here, so we are very much grateful for that. And also so this opportunity what you have given with us, so this is also very much helpful for us. Even our children also will learn the importance of the environmental day. Thank you very much.
PUC Principal Muhammad Shahida, Public School Kanachur. Srimati D'Souza Primary School Kanachur, the PRO, my teachers, dear students. Good morning to all of you. I am very sorry that I could not be a part of your program in the morning because there was a very urgent meeting in the university. But I am happy that I could join before the programs was get over. I am little bit unhappy because my idea of conducting this program was, since the Kanachur school students are coming, I thought my school children also will join so that there will be a kind of interaction. But after coming there, I could see only the students of Kanachur, my school children are not there. Maybe some kind of message. I think, Madam, we will conduct one more program. With my own children, I will bring either my children to your school or your children to my school, so that some cultural exchange and also maintaining the Miyawaki forest, a tie-up between your school and my school. It was really we wanted. Last 2 weeks before, just I was standing outside, somebody was digging some land. I saw our Veena madam was with some JCB and all digging. I felt a little bit very upset because they're 500. Do you understand English? Yes. I have 600 children here. Only one pipeline. If their JCB break my pipeline, I have to leave my school. I have to leave the children home. It's a residential school, not like your school. So I just rushed to sir, madam, there is a pipeline going inside. What are you digging here? So madam was telling, we are trying to plant the trees. I was really fascinated to see a forest officer standing near to the road and doing these kinds of activities. So I just requested to madam to talk to the forest officer, Mehboob sir. You should surprise. Next 3 days, Mehboob sir made a visit to my school. Give him a hands of applause. Perhaps an officer like him will be an asset to serve this environment. So I just requested to sir, with the help of forest, we will have a Miyazaki forest in the other side of the road. But due to the rocky, the land area, we could not do it. But he assured that with the help of some schools, we will make a small model of Miyazaki forest. And that is with the help of this Kanachur school. Now today a small program has been organized. Thank you sir, thank you very much for your initiation. Thank you madam for taking this to school. And from my side I can only promise you that whatever area you are, even though it's a small area, whatever area you have prepared to develop it a Miyazaki forest, preservation of that area is my responsibility. So that many nearby school children do not know what is the Miyazaki forest. It should be the small bushes, creepers, big trees. So this should be a forest model. We will keep it as a forest model in the name of Kanachur school only. We don't want any credit, but other school can see that this is the Miyazaki forest. That is only with the help of my Eco Club team, I will do it. In addition to that, my request is that, madam, we will have a cultural exchange program or any exchange program like this with your children and my children. So I really wanted my children to be a part of this program. That is not done. That way I am not happy also. Once again, thank you all. Thank you. I think we could not give proper breakfast also to the children. That is the reason. Please bring these children. They will have breakfast. They will have lunch. We will have some interaction program. And we will take you as a part of one-day exposure visit. Under new education policy, exposure visit is mandatory. You can bring these cheaper children, whatever the expenditure that is required, I am ready to bear also, not your school. Thank you for giving this opportunity to my school.
Parents' Day, so you know that today is our school is a residential school. So today is a Parents' Day, so most of the parents came here, so children are all busy. Whatever force we have played, it is very difficult to separate them from their parents at least for few hours, because they can get only few hours in a month. So sir, I am very sorry that at least for next program, if it is another day, we can engage most of the students. Of course, our students will normally come for any programs, but due to this amount reason, they are first seeing their parents after a month long separation. That is why the reason. I'm sorry for that, and it is very appealing that hundreds of plants are going to plant in front of us or Vidyalaya. So with this
respected dignitaries from the dais, my dear colleagues, department officials from Forest Department, staff from Kanachur Public School, dear students from Kanachur, good afternoon to all of you. So, it is my duty to propose a vote of thanks. This program is an environmental awareness program, really a wonderful program that is conducted by Kanachur Public School in collaboration with Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya with the help of Forest Department. So it is my duty to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank our forest official, Sri Mahbub sir, Deputy Range Forest Officer. Sir, thank you. I was in search of, actually, I wanted to contact Forest Department before this. Before this, when I was in Udupi, Hebri, there were wildlife, regular forest, research, all like social forestry, all department were there. But here, since our Vidyalaya, it is in urban area, we were not in touch with the forest. But it is, we are lucky that we got efficient forest officer like you in contact with our PM Sri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. So we will continue the program and try to establish greenery in our campus. Sir, thank you very much. In your busy schedule, you came over here and you have guided our students, our Vidyalaya. Thank you very much. I would like to thank our principal sir, who is regularly guiding all of us under his able leadership and visionary administration. We are able to get such opportunities and we are excelling in each and every field, in each and every area. Thank you, Principal Sir, for being organizing this program. Thank you. I would like also to thank all the officials from Kanachur Public School, Principal Karan Priscilla Madam. Thank you, Madam, for coming over here and guiding, helping us. I would like to thank Primary School Principal Lynette D. Sousa, Madam. Thank you, Madam. I would also like to thank Madam Shahida Madam, PUC Principal. Thank you, Madam. I would also like to thank PRO Kanachur Nawaz Sir. Thank you, sir. And I should not forget to thank our respected Vice Principal Madam, who guided us in conducting this program, and within a short period we could arrange everything. And thank you, Madam. Thank you on behalf of all. I would like to thank all the officials from the Forest Department and staff from Kanachur and my dear colleagues. Thank you one and all for making this program successful.